the ultimate guide to fat-burning juices. Have you ever wondered if sipping a delicious juice could be your secret weapon for burning fat and boosting energy? What if I told you that a few simple ingredients could transform your mornings and help you reach your weight loss goals? Stick around, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal 3 incredible fat-burning juice recipes that can supercharge your metabolism and leave you feeling revitalized. Whether you're looking to shed those stubborn pounds or simply want to enjoy some vibrant flavors, these juices are packed with nutrients and can easily become your new favorite health hack. Let's kick things off by diving into why these juices work wonders. Packed with essential vitamins, low in calories and bursting with delicious flavors, fat-burning juices can do more than just quench your thirst. They can transform your health. Here are a few reasons why you need to incorporate these juices into your routine. First, they are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and help your body burn calories more efficiently. Second, many of these ingredients can increase your metabolism, giving you that extra edge on your fitness journey. Now that we've set the stage, let's jump into my top 3 fat-burning juices. These recipes are not only easy to prepare, but also delicious. Let's get our juicing game on. First up is the green detox juice. You'll need 1 cucumber, 2 green apples, a handful of spinach or kale, the juice of 1 lemon, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Juice all the ingredients together. Feel free to add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber. This juice is not only super refreshing, but also gives your body a healthy boost to kickstart your day. Next, we have the citrus fat burner juice. For this recipe, you'll need 2 peeled oranges, 1 peeled grapefruit, the juice of 1 lemon, and a few mint leaves. Blend everything until it's smooth. This juice is sure to reinvigorate your afternoon. The zing from the citrus is absolutely energizing. It's like a burst of happiness in a glass. Finally, here's a vibrant beetroot and carrot juice. You'll need 1 medium beetroot, 2 carrots, 1 apple for sweetness, and a squeeze of lime juice. Juice all these ingredients together for a nutrient-packed treat. This beautiful juice not only tastes amazing, but is also great for blood circulation and is super detoxifying. Before we wrap up, let's tackle a few myths about juicing. Myth 1. Juices are just sugar water. The reality is that when you make your own juices, you're controlling the ingredients and maximizing the health benefits. Myth 2. Juicing alone is a one-way ticket to weight loss. Remember, it has to be part of a well-rounded diet. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of your juices. Start your day with the green detox juice. Enjoy the beetroot juice pre-workout. Sip the citrus juice in the afternoon for a refreshing pick-me-up. Juices can be a fantastic ally in your health journey, but they are not magic potions. Combine them with a healthy diet and exercise for the best results. If you loved this video and want more health hacks, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite juice in the comments. See you next time, and remember to keep juicing. Or should I say, keep thriving.